Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If your car guys smells bad, no matter how much you clean it, you always get that bad smell from the air vents, stay with us guys and we'll show you how to fix that in just a few minutes guys and a few dollars. Most of the people do not know about that and I don't blame them. People don't get informed about that trick at all. We'll show you guys what you need to do and how to make your car smell like brand new again. So let's go ahead and show you how to do that now. So every car guys has a cabin air filter. Okay, this cabin air filter is the one that cleans the air that goes inside the car. And Mazda has it, Lincoln has it, BMW has it guys, every car has it. And we'll show you guys 90% of the cars, okay, where that cabin air filter is located. Okay, it's very simple location guys, like this one right here. Okay, we have a Lincoln guys and you will need to go ahead, open your glove box. Now, right here, okay, right here, you will have two, okay, let's lift just a little bit up. You have two stops guys. Okay, one on this side, one on the other side. How you guys remove the glove box on most cars? You need to squish towards each other on each side. Okay, squish like that and pull down. Okay, check it out and it comes out. This is the stop I'm talking about right here. Now, some of them have that elastic piece. Okay, and this elastic piece is the one that keeps the glove box from going up and down too fast. So you will need to either disconnect it. Usually they have a ball that you disconnect, or you slide it towards the front. Okay, you slide it like that and you pull it out. You can see the canal. And now guys, okay, that glove box will come down, all the way down. Or you can go ahead, okay, if you want, you can just pull it out this way. Now, right here behind the glove box, okay, what do you have guys? This is where your cabin air filter usually will be located. Okay, you can see debris to fall into the, okay, you can see fan area. Do not allow debris to fall. This is your heater blower fan. Usually you have like one piece, okay, one clip that you, okay, let me grab it with this hand. Press in here. Okay, and pull out, check out, like that. Okay, and once you remove your cap, okay, this is guys your cabin air filter. Okay, you can see how terrible that thing is. Okay, that thing is super nasty guys. Why your car smells bad? Okay, it has mold, okay, it has leaves, it has all kind of bacteria here stuck in it. So we'll need to go ahead and replace that thing now. So check this thing out. We get a new cabin air filter guys, and you can check in the description of the video below where we buy ours from for a really good price and fast shipping. Okay, this is what we have right here. Check out the difference, right? And I usually use fabric Febreeze, okay, spray, and I spray it a couple times so it can smell really nice, okay, and kill the bacteria and the bad smell. Go ahead, okay, let me see now which way it goes. Like this one. Go ahead, install it, perfect. And now all we have to do, don't forget to put your cap here. Okay, and from that point on guys, okay, you need to install your glove box. Okay, like that. The elastic piece will be somewhere inside. Okay, so you need to bring it out. Like that, push it in and your guy is ready to go. So hopefully that fixes your problem. Thank you for watching, please subscribe to the channel and see you guys next time.